Good afternoon, friends. I would like to welcome you, wherein now we would like to get introduced to certain words and the manner in which they are being used in the qualitative research. In the earlier video, I showcased to you what we called it as the worldviews, and then later on, I moved further. Okay, now here I'm going to showcase to you how the words are being used and in what way you can be creative and start understanding the entire funneling process that is being used in the qualitative research. Now here, first and foremost, you will have to start off with the paradigms as worldviews. So remember, in the earlier video of mine, I had showcased to you the different worldviews in the term, wherein I introduced ontology, epistemology. Then there are other things also. So here I would be taking care of it. Now, before I can proceed further, there is something else that I would like to tell you, and that is that the word paradigm itself has been introduced in the domain of the research in a very different manner. I'll be sharing to you a book that has been written by Popper as well as Cohen and other people. Now I'll show you that book in my next video, and you can understand how the word paradigm has been taken care of. Yes, and once you read that particular book and the chapters in which they have introduced the concept of paradigm, you will be able to understand more as to why in research papers it is written as paradigm shifts. This is a paradigmatic manner in which we are going to study, and we will see now paradigms as worldviews here, as per that particular image that was given to us. It means that it is the fragmentation, what methods cohere with one's worldview. Okay, now including one's epistemology, now ontology, axiology, and solve specific problems informed by the accepted practices in various domains I'm talking about. Now the next one that he picks up is the paradigms as epistemological stances. Now here they have shown what is your specialty, what is the specialism that you are going to showcase in your own paper. So what methods cohere for you? Is it epistemologically you're planning to do it? Is it ontological one that you're going to present it, or logically you're going to take care of it and solve the specific problem informed by the accepted practices in the world, I would say. Then comes the paradigms as the shared beliefs. Now, under this, they have taken care of utilitarianism to give you a very lucid and crisp definition of utilitarianism is that maximum happiness for maximum number of people. Now, that's how the word and the concept had been introduced in the domains of the knowledge, and we will see later on whether is this reality or is this really holds true for your own research when you are going to conclude the entire research work analysis that you have done. You need to make it understand what methods cohere axiologically and solve specific problems informed by the accepted practices in your own domain. Then comes what we call it as the pragmatism. Now what methods cohere in the service of solving specific problems informed by the accepted practice. Now you see, when you are doing a pragmatic approach or a pragmatic study for your own research area, you will be using these kind of things in your word, and then you will say that, see, this is what I was looking for. Okay, now paradigms as model examples. Now eclecticism, now this is another technique that we use it in the research area. What methods cohere informed by the accepted practice. So these are certain terminologies that we need to understand, and the author has very nicely explained these things also. Now whether we have to go from downward, then it would be subsumes, and we will see later on what exactly it means, or if we want to increase the paradigm differentiation, then we need to go from downward to upward. So the approaches are there in front of you, and one can definitely go ahead and take take care of it. Now, how each one of them is being used, or whether you would like to focus exactly on one, and in order to make a rich research paper or a project for yourself, are you going to use all of them? Now, this is something that we will have to discuss more in depth, not in a short. I will be need to first of all explain to you how the methodologies are in each one of these techniques that I'm discussing right now, and then we will see after completion of the coding and the thematic analysis for our own approach, then we will be able to know them more. So I think I'm going to stop here. Let me come up with yet another I should say image wherein the author had really showcased to us certain things. Till then, thanks and take care. Bye.